Today is Saturday and I'm craving a balot, guys. Ayan, naisipan kong kumain ng balot, guys. So, I buy 2 pieces of balot. Ayan, tignan natin siya, guys, kung malaki ba yung kanyang sisiw. Kasi hindi ako kumakain ng sisiw, guys. Ayan, I buy 2 pieces of balot. Ayan, 25 pieces each, guys. Ayan, ano, meron tayong suka. Ayan. So, ayan, bubuksan na natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ano na natin siya. Tcharan! Ayan. Ayan, buksan natin siya, guys. Oh my God. I miss. Ayan, mga ilang ano din ako hindi nakakain ng balot ulit, guys. Ayan, tikman natin. Ayan, actually, guys, hindi talaga ako mangangain ng balot. Ayan, paano-ano lang ako, guys. Pag natripan ko lang kumain, ayan. Siya yung sabaw niya, guys. Gupin natin. So yummy. Ayan. Yummy, guys. Ayan, lagyan natin ng suka para hindi natin malasahan yung kanyang langsa, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Sana wala siya masyadong sisiw, guys, kasi hindi ako nakain ng sisiw. Hindi ako nakain ng sisiw, guys, kundi ayan. Dilaw. Dilaw lang yung aking kinakain, guys. Ayan. Tcharan! Itong dilaw niya, guys. Wala siya masyadong sisiw, guys. Ano lang siya, dilaw tsaka yung white niya. Ayan, sarap to siya, guys, kasi wala siyang ano. Ayan. Wala siyang sisiw, guys. That's it. Yan, guys. Oh. Yan, buti na lang wala siyang sisiw, guys. Wala pa siyang sisiw masyado. Maliit lang siya, guys. So, ayan, nakain ko siya. Nakain ko yung ano niya, guys. Ayan. Simula pa lang siya. Yan, oh. So, yummy. Ayan, yung white niya siya, guys. Oh. Ano natin. Yan. Yung kanyang white. Yan, yung dilaw niya, guys. Sarap. Ayun. Medyo matigas yung kanyang white, guys. Ayan. Ayaw ko na siyang kainin kasi matigas niya. Higup sa bawang ko, diba? Sarap. Yan, another one tayo, guys. Ayan. 2 pieces of balot kasi na-miss kong kumain ng balot, guys. I miss to eat the balot. Ayan. I'm craving a balot now, guys. Baliktad yung aking pagkaano, guys. I'm craving a balot now. So, 2 pieces, guys. It's enough. It's enough for me, guys. Ayun. Medyo matigas na yung kanyang white, guys. Kaya, yung dilaw na lang ang kainin natin. Ayun. So, yummy, guys. Ayan. For how many months, guys, hindi ako nakakain ng balot. Ayan. Kaya naman, nakita ko si ate, guys, nagtinda ng balot. Dito sa amin. Ayan. So, I buy. Ayan. Grabe, sarap, guys. So yummy. It's a balot. Ayan, look, guys. You must try this, guys. So it's balot. Yeah. No sisiw. Only a yellow, guys. So yummy. And the white, there is a Small ano guys. A small sisiw. I don't eat sisiw guys. I'm done already. The sisiw. I don't eat the sisiw guys. I only eat the yellow. Mm. Ayun, I'm finished. Look the sisiw guys. Oh. The sisiw. I don't eat the sisiw guys. Only the yellow I eat and the white. Mm. And the white color. So, mm, I'm finished guys. 2 pieces of balot. Mm. So yummy. Mm. Ano guys. I'm done. I'm full already. Mm. Craving satisfied na ako guys. So, that's it for today. My God. Medyo matigas yung white niya guys.